All right, hello boys and girls. I am going to be showing you today our blueprint maker that we're going to be using for our projects, for our monuments of the world. And when you are in Schoology or campus, this link will be posted. We are using a blueprint maker from the app's Smart Draw. Now, Smart Draw is what common architects use and other people who are in that field, plumbers, electricians, things like that. So when you get into the website, you click Create Your Blueprint. And then when you're in Create Your Blueprint, you will see Recent Documents. This Recent Document is where you can store all your work. But since we're starting from square one, we're going to want to look at all templates. This is just some common templates that they give you, but if you click on all templates, you will see a variety of categories that you can do, such as a mind map, a Venn diagram, scamper things. We will go over what each of these means. Mind map is basically you have an idea and you're branching out from that idea. We've done and seen Venn diagrams before. You can choose a variety of these, but what I have found is the easiest is the CAD and drafting section. This is the easiest for us making a 3D scale model compared to something on the computer is because it gives you a provided scale. So for every inch, it will be 4 feet. For every 1 inch, it would be 1 inch scale drawing 1:1. 1 centimeter equals 50 centimeters because you will be using rulers and those types of materials, meter sticks, things. So it makes it a little easier for your scales. If you want to start from blank slate square one, you can click on custom scale drawing and Smart Draw will load it for you. Now it said you are not logged in, so we would have to go ahead and create an account, which is I can walk you through that in another video. But once you are in Smart Draw, you can see that you have a variety of options to do. So you can select all different lines and shapes. You could insert a shape. You can insert a line text. You can even go to your units and scale and pick what you want. I would recommend custom since you're doing your own custom scale, so you can tell the computer what you want each inch to equal and how many feet, centimeters, meters, things like that. You are also able to insert a picture. So let's say you had a picture of your document here and you wanted to have that as a reference sheet. You could insert that image into this blueprint document, and that'll help you create that model to scale. And as you work throughout the 3 work days I have given you, you have chances to play around with this, get your scale, and just keep in mind that you don't want a project that is so big that it cannot fit in the area that you are provided, such as a table for our gallery walk, or you also don't want a project that's so tiny that people are not going to be able to see and recognize what it is. So we can work together and collaborate on each of your projects, and I can help you troubleshoot and fix problems as they arise. And then when you're done with this, you will have the 3 days of work time where you can work on this and then also work on your 3D model simultaneously. And then on the final day of the project, we will be doing a gallery walk, kind of like we do with our STEM challenges, where you will have your technology blueprint up as well as your 3D scale model. And you can talk to us about how you made decisions about scale to scale and why you chose this monument and the information that you found out about it. Okay, well, if you have any questions or need anything from me, just let me know and we will work together to build our monuments. I'm very excited.